Okay, I'm just going to go through a few examples of order of operations using the term BIDMAS. BIDMAS stands for, well, the B in BIDMAS stands for brackets, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So BIDMAS represents 6 different operations. Now, brackets always comes first, then any indices that you may have. Division and multiplication are usually on the same level, and addition and subtraction. So when you have addition and subtraction, only addition and subtraction, you start from the left hand side, and multiplication, division, again you start from the left hand side. So in this question, we've got no brackets, we've got no indices, no division, we've got multiplication, which is our first step, addition, which is our second step of operation, and there's no subtraction. And we will always follow the order of BIDMAS starting from top to bottom. So 5 times 4 is 20. So 4 plus 20 is our first operation. And then the second operation will add these two together. So 4 and 20 is 24. So if you normally just have all addition and subtractions, we start from the left hand side because they're on the same level. So 3 plus 7 in brackets divided by 5. So according to BIDMAS, we will always do the brackets first and then the second operation. It doesn't matter what is inside the brackets. It could be addition, subtraction. Because it's in brackets, it has priority. 3 add 7 is 10 divided by 5, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So our next question is 3 plus 7 times 3, take away 3. So here we don't have any brackets, we don't have any indices, we don't have any divisions, but we do have a multiplication, so that will be our first operation that we must apply. And then we've got addition and subtraction, and because addition and subtraction are on the same level, we will start from the left hand side. So 7 times 3 is 21. I'll rewrite that as 3 add 21, take away 3. So starting from the left hand side, I will now do 3 plus 21, which is 24, take away 3. And 24 take away 3 is 21. But I could have just looked at this and said, well, 3 take away 3, they will cancel each other out, and that will leave me with an answer of 21. But again, if it's different numbers, you always start from the left hand side.